How you doing? I'm Brendan. This video series is on new features in PHP 7+. If you like this video and you want more, click subscribe down below. Today we're going to talk about return type declarations. This is a PHP 7 feature. Return type declarations specify the type of value that will be returned from a function. The same types are available for return type declarations as are available for argument type declarations. If you are unsure about that, you can check out my video on scalar type declarations that only touches on the 4 scalar variable types. There are others. So to go over them real quick, you can type hint or type declare and do return declarations for class or interface, self, array, callable, bool, float, int, string, and in PHP 7.1, iterable. In PHP 7, strict typing has the same effect as return type declarations. If you're not sure what those are, check out my video on scalar type declarations. Just keep in mind that if you do not have strict typing turned on, then at times variables will be coerced into the value that PHP thinks you want. So an int might become a string, and a string might become an int. A float might become an integer, things like that. So also keep in mind when overriding a parent method, the child's method must match any return type declaration of the parent. If the parent doesn't define a return type, then the child may do so, but if the parent does, the child cannot change it. This is a useful feature for making sure your code is returning the correct type of data, and if not, catching an error. It also makes your code much more readable in terms of just like fully understanding what a function is doing. The syntax to it is a little weird for PHP. It's using take a look at some source code. There's more info in the link down below. But all in all, this is a useful function. I've already seen some frameworks start to use it, and it does make it easier to understand what their functions are doing, and it reduces the cognitive load a little bit when reading through code that either you wrote a long time ago or you are just learning now. So again, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more, click the subscribe button below. Leave a comment with your thoughts. What's your favorite new feature in PHP 7+, and we'll talk about it. Thanks.